Hey folks, Suzanne here with Real Lady Adventures, and thank you once again for tuning in. So today we are going to look at the CZ P10C. Now, not a gun that you see around a whole lot, not a brand that you see around a whole lot, at least not around here. Honestly, when I first saw this, when I first received this gun, and it was a gift, I knew CZ for their shotguns, and I thought, okay, it's a free gun, why not? And then after shooting it for a while, came to really love it. There's a lot of things. I'm not going to do a full review on this here today, but one of the main things that I love about this firearm is the angle of the grip. I mean, seriously, you pull this up and you are right on target. You don't have to aim, you don't have to look down your sight so much. It's just there. So anyways, all that aside, what we are going to talk about today with this firearm is how to field strip it. Now, the main pieces for field stripping, these two little tabs right here, there's one on each side. You are going to pull those down simultaneously, okay? So, I've taken the magazine out already. Double check visually and physically that this gun is cleared. No ammo, everything is safe. So, first thing you want to do, pull the trigger. That's a key. You won't be able to take it apart without doing that. So once you've done that, you're going to grip your gun over the top, just like this. And you're just going to inch this slide back just about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, and you're going to pull down these two tabs at the same time. Let that slide go forward, and there you go. So you've got the slide and the frame separate. Next thing you're going to do, a little bit of pressure. You're just going to pop the spring mechanism out of there. Now, make sure you take note which direction this spring goes back in. This solid end goes towards the front of the barrel. This flat side with the little hole, that goes towards the rear. So just remember that for when you're reassembling. Pop the barrel forward and out, and you have the 4 pieces you need to take apart this firearm for cleaning, for oiling, for your basic maintenance. You don't need to go beyond that when you're just doing basic maintenance on your gun. You don't have to get into the trigger mechanism, none of that stuff. So 4 basic pieces, that's all you need to do. So for reassembly, we're just going to work backwards. Take your slide, barrel first, nose in, lock it back. Take your spring assembly. Again, remember which direction goes to the front. That in there, a little bit of pressure, and it's going to seat right in. There's like a little half moon divot in there, and you want to make sure that that's seated in there properly. Next, grab your frame. You're going to line up the slide with those rails. Right back on, and you are good to go. Rack it a couple times, make sure everything is functioning properly. Insert your magazine, and you are all set to go. So that's the CZ P10C. Again, super easy takedown. Again, why do you want to field strip these guns? So you can clean them, lubricate them, you take care of them, they'll take care of you. So until next time, folks, enjoy the adventure.